Hello and welcome. Today we will discuss the poem Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost, who is an American poet and he loved to write about the nature in its own way. Without a further delay, I am breaking down the poem in stanza wise so that you can get a better understanding of the poem. Let's read the first stanza first. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Before explaining this stanza, just imagine a cold winter day where the ground is covered with snow and the trees stand tall with their branches filled with frost. In that same day, a poet who was feeling very sad and regretful about the day's works he had done, just like why the things didn't go well for me today, why did it happen with me, etc., etc. And with this type of thinking, he was passing through a hemlock tree. Now I will tell you about the hemlock tree. It is a tree that is associated with sadness, which symbolizes sad. Now, in this tree, which is covered with frost, a crow is fluttering its wings from that tree. At the same moment, the teeny flakes of snow gently falls upon the poet's shoulders. The poet suddenly stops all its thinking that he had failed while snow coming from the hemlock tree. Now let's read the second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. For a brief seconds, the poet stops. All its thinking on his head about all the troubles that he had on that day. He looks at the falling of snow and feels something shift inside from him. It is just like the feeling that the nature is speaking to him, reminding him that even in sadness, the beauty can be found in the simplest of things, just like the falling of snow from the hemlock tree. The poet mind changes completely. He begins to feel lighter, happier in this little event. That's my explanations about the poem Dust of Snow written by Robert Frost. Hope you have liked. Thank you so much.